What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas with TMWIT here in the beautiful state of Utah, all covered in snow. Well, almost. Looks like the beginning of quite a big storm here. We have the Golf chilling out here in the parking lot. Look at this. This is what I have to deal with daily driving this car. It just gets absolutely destroyed. Well, not really, just spray it off when the snow stops, but it's still got the bow on it from the Christmas special. But it's just sitting so peaceful under these trees. But enough of me rambling about the snow. Today we're gonna be talking about the 100,000 mile service on my MK6 Golf R. Not quite at 100,000 miles, actually just past 96,000. So a little bit of preventative maintenance there, just kind of getting the 100,000 mile service done a bit early, just kind of preparing for everything. And we're gonna go over that here in a second, but really quick, it's so gorgeous out here. Just want to throw the drone up in the sky really quick. Oh my god. Yo, I killed my drone! Oh sh**. And my camera's look, dude. Ah, man, I was trying to get you guys a cool ass cinematic shot in the snow. And I ran it into the goddamn tree. Well, it lost power because the battery got low. Please tell me it fell. Oh no. Oh no. Okay guys, I'm so stupid. This is so dumb. Lost a propeller, but I think the drone might be good. I just folded the back wings down. Yeah, that was really stupid, Thomas, but sick. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Subscribe. Switching to my action camera because I guess my normal cameras, the drone and the camera, I mean, they shouldn't obviously work in the snow, but yeah, just crashed the drone. Looks fine. It's probably fine. And then my camera was getting all snowy. So we're just gonna put you guys down right here because I don't really care if I run this over. As you can see, we have a little patch of snow here, and I'll do my best to drift around you guys. This video is supposed to be about the service. I'm just trying to make a little exciting intro. GoPro's still alive. We're gonna have to, oh my lord, we're gonna have to check on the drone when we get home. Wow, that is a whole lot of snow. We made just some nice donuts here. Nice big old donuts here. Not too shabby in the old Golf. You know, makes me brightens up my day a little bit after crashing the drone into a tree, but you know, it is what it is. All right, let's look at the 100,000 mile service. Okay, we have the Golf R's 100,000 mile service right here. We also have the GoPro, which is not broken. I'm not an idiot. Maybe slightly an idiot, but we have the Golf R 100,000 mile service paper here from the shop that I took it to, Elite Auto. I'm gonna go over it with you guys here, and you might be asking, Thomas, you install car parts on your channel. Why didn't you just do the 100,000 mile service yourself? Well, I wish I would have. The price was quite a staggering number. I wish I would have, but I just didn't have the time or the tools necessary to do it. I probably could have gotten them, but I wanted to get the 100,000 mile service done before 100,000 miles, and I just kind of wanted it. What, you gonna blow up? after that rude interruption by my drone controller, which is probably trying to tell me, hey, you're an idiot, you just crashed your drone into the tree and now it's broken. So just for the 100,000 mile service, we have the timing belt, the water pump, and the carbon cleaning. And the carbon cleaning is not something that Volkswagen discloses. It's something you need to do for the 100,000 mile service. But let me tell you, it is something you need to have done if you have this car, or any car for that matter that Volkswagen has with their faulty ass PCV system that sucks. If you're a Volkswagen or an Audi owner, you know the carbon buildup is absolutely insane on these cars, and you need to get them cleaned at least every 100,000 miles. So we got both those big things done: the timing belt, the water pump, and the carbon cleaning. The timing belt and the water pump are together when you're doing the timing belt, because if the timing belt fails, your car is screwed. It's gonna skip timing and you're gonna throw something through the block. The water pump is prone to failure on these cars because they're made of plastic, and it'll break and it'll cause the timing belt, from what I understood reading on the forums, it'll cause the timing belt to prematurely fail and cause catastrophic engine failure. So definitely something you want to get done. I know a lot of people do it as soon as they hit like 60,000, 70,000 miles. I waited till 96,000 miles to do mine. That's another reason I wanted to just get it done. I was so worried that the water pump was just gonna absolutely implode on me. So this is another good tip for you guys. If you're watching this video and you're searching to buy a Mark 6 Golf R, make sure that these things have been done if it is past 100,000 miles. The water pump and the timing belt need to have been changed, and hopefully it's not a necessity. Hopefully the carbon cleaning has been done. What happens is the PCV system, it doesn't work very well, and so you get all this carbon buildup on the intake valves, and it just builds up, and it actually reduces performance. It slows down your engine. It's no good. So the service tech got in there, he called me, he's like, dang, this is the most buildup I've ever seen on some intake valves. So I was like, all right, let's get them clean. So we got them all cleaned up, and I'm about to show you guys the drive after getting the carbon cleaning done. It's like a brand new car again, guys. It feels so amazing. I know you're not gonna be able to really feel it through the camera, but I'll try to portray the best that I can about how good this now feels. The car feels absolutely amazing. And now I have the peace of mind that the timing belt and the water pump is completed. But here is the big whack-a-mole you guys wanted to see. The other two things I also got done were the alignment and the AC. And I'm gonna include them in here because they were 150 plus the $250 alignment. But without further ado, the total balance due on my 100,000 mile service was $2,558 and some odd cents. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the official 100,000 mile service of my Golf R. And like I said, nothing was broken. I didn't have a check engine light. This was all preventative, just, you know, preparing for 100,000 miles, getting the stuff done that I wanted to feel comfortable daily driving the car and ripping it through the snow like I just did, crashing my drone into a tree while trying to film it, all that good stuff. So now I have the peace of mind. The AC works, the car is nice and aligned. The timing belt has been replaced, so I don't have to worry about that until the next timing belt service interval. The carbon cleaning has been done. I'm currently searching for a solution to fix that. I think the only known way to absolutely eliminate carbon buildup is methanol injection. So we'll be going down that route very, very soon. And no, catch cans do not work. So don't try to tell me in the comments that they do. But I do want to get a catch can anyway. But that's that's a topic for a different day. So now I have the aluminum internal water pump. I think it's just a wheel or something that's aluminum. I don't know, I didn't install the part. But apparently it's an aluminum version, not plastic, so it won't fail and won't kill your engine. So now I have all this nice service done. It was crazy expensive. Well, for a Golf, it was pretty damn expensive. So just so you guys know, you could probably do all this stuff yourself if you bought all the materials. I would say half. This you could get everything done on this list that I said, minus the alignment, and you probably fix your AC yourself. But we'll say everything on this list you could probably do for half if you try to do it yourself. I wish I was able to bring that content to you guys and show you how to save plenty of money. But this is just how much I paid, $2,558.48 for my 100,000 mile service. So now let's take the car for a rip and see how good it feels with the carbon cleaning. This was a lot of information, a lot of talking. I don't like doing this, but I just want to show other Mark 6 Golf R owners and other people with a similar engine to this, Audis, Volkswagens of the same year, what to expect kind of coming up on 100,000 miles. Okay guys, a little bit different angle for you. Hopefully you can see, but we are going to do a little first person drive here. in the Mark 6 Golf R, try to show you guys the best that I can how good it feels after this. And I think traction control is deactivated still. This is what is so nice about having an all-wheel drive car. Oh, that was fun. There'll be no way that I can portray kind of the difference between the driving feel before the carbon cleaning and now after the carbon cleaning. But you just got to take my word for it. After driving this car for 2 years with the carbon buildup that it had and probably accumulating more while driving it, getting it freshly carbon cleaned. And I'm gonna try to not send myself into any walls or anything. It is snowy, so I'm not gonna try to, you know, put anybody in danger and do anything stupid. I just wanna get a few pulls here. It's kind of difficult to do here in the snow, but the spot that I wanted to film at is not very dry. There's lots of snow on the ground, but little tunnel pull. Oh, it's way too snowy, guys. Wow, today's video is just a bust for the entertainment factor, but I hope you enjoyed listening to me talk about a paper showing how much I spent on my Golf R to get it running good. Yeah, it's just too snowy. I don't want to put anybody in danger. Man, the car just feels so amazing. You just got to take my word for it. I don't want to put the car into a ditch or into a poor family or into somebody's living room. I know it is all-wheel drive, but you can never, you just got to be as careful as possible with the snowy conditions. Yeah, I mean, you see, like, I don't want to do anything stupid there. There's lots of snow and slush, so I'm just gonna take the cautious route and throw it back to regular camera Thomas. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me crashing my drone, doing donuts around my GoPro and not hitting that, and then talking about my boring service records for my 100,000 mile service on the Mark 6 Golf R here. Looking oh so gorgeous. Oh my God, the exposure is way blown out. Woo-wee! Hold up. The car is looking freaking awesome out here in the snow. It's really coming down. These are my tracks. They're already getting covered back up here. But that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you just stumbled across my channel, make sure to subscribe. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed. Leave a like down below for my fallen drone into the tree. Thank you, and that is pretty much it for today, guys. I will catch you in the next one.